all water balloon fight. All families. Game on! Team up! In the water, lift me up!
Oh, Rafting! Oh! Go, Emmett, go! Go, Emmett! Yeah!
Whoa! Hey. Get it!
I'm dead!
Are the members of the Morgan family, hearts knit together in love and unity. We'll serve each other, one for another. We'll follow the Savior with one heart, one mind. We'll wear the armor as we raise our swords up high. True to the covenants we stand. Yes, we'll not shrink from the fight, but defend truth and right. We are brave warriors of the light. Yeah!
Turn left onto Utah 144 North.
All right, well, the crew's on our way up to Silver Falls. 2-mile hike up, 2-mile hike back down. So far, everybody's staying pretty strong. Always in the camera, always in the limelight. Oh, Kaylee. Keep it going, you're doing good. Doing good. Good job. You're wearing a dress.
Way to go, warrior. Look at these beautiful ladies hiking. They're making it.
Doing it. We got this.
It's our national city.
Oh, how does it work? Oh, Matthew does very good. Works very well for Chandler. Rocky, yep. All right, here we are. We're not sure how far up in the mountains.
I'd say about 8,000 or 9,000.
We got a big group of kids. And this is what stage 4 cancer looks like.
Woo!
Look at this.
Woo!
Yeah!
My family. We went for the silver and we made it.
You are a survivor, man.
The silver, you got the gold.
This is
This-
Silver Lake, but it felt like gold. Let me tell you. Obstacles that didn't used to exist now.
I am so happy you made it. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing.
We made it.
Yeah. Echo!
So what do people do with broken arms and stage 4 cancer and healthy family?
Go on a 4-mile hike.
We made it to
Straight
the
up.
silver. 4 miles. We're like the gold and the silver.
Oh yeah.
I'm fun, baby. I'm fun, baby. I'm fun, baby.
Okay, we're here with Doug tonight.
Hi.
We don't know anything about Doug other than he is going to entertain us tonight.
I hope so. I hope so, yeah.
Is there a name to your show?
The Great and Wondrous Doug.
The Great.
How's that?
Now introducing The Great.
Thank you.
We better wait.
Okay, yeah.
This is The Great and Wondrous Doug.
Yeah, you don't want any false starts here.
This is the Great and Wondrous Doug, but he wants to get to know you guys. I'm going to let him kind of introduce himself.
Again, my name is Doug Castillo. I am the president and owner of a company called Leadership Integration Simplified. It's my mission to help people become better leaders, whether it's in a work environment or on a home environment. And it's mainly one of my passions because it's been my path. You know, you typically teach that which you get to learn the most. When I learned it, I thought, this is crazy. No one's going to get this. But I've been doing it ever since. All right, so you take a scarf, you make a fist like this. Perhaps some of y'all have seen this. You take the scarf and you just stuff it into your fist, get the leftovers in there, snap your fingers, and it is gone. Only two. See? Ah, there we go. Reappear over in this hand. All right, okay, good. We have the short rope. I'm just gonna hold it up nice and high. It's easy to see the ropes, or better to see the ropes right next to each other. And then we have the long rope. So once again, we have a short rope, and then we have a long. Perfect. Right over the top. That will actually loosen up the fibers. So, Robbie, look what we did. You see them? What's on this side? There's a sneak peek. What's over here? Emma, are you ready on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3, point. Boom, just like that. And we're done. So on the count of 3, 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to show you the egg is no longer inside the bag. The egg is no longer outside the bag. To make the egg reappear, you grab it, throw it over the wire, and catch it in the bag.
All right, we're at Thanksgiving Point. It is morning time. Work is done. Here's a little pretty girl. Hey. So we're at the Ashton Gardens at Thanksgiving Point. Not sure how eventful this is going to be, but we're here with family, so we'll make the best of it, have a good time. And I'm about the last to show up. We're waiting for maybe 1 or 2 other people.
You are the last to show up.
Are you sure? Here we go. Oh wow, look at all these people in blue shirts. Are you guys all together?
What if Chandler did? You wait till drink out of drinking fountain.
I love it. Oh yeah.
Boom shakalaka.
Yeah, that's our core right there. Oh, Tank, dude. You're a rock star. All right, family pictures are done. That is an ordeal with 50 people in the family, trying to get them all to smile and organize. Look at this backdrop though, isn't this cool? This is Thanksgiving Point waterfalls at the gardens. Very nice backdrop.
I gave him a certain amount that he can use for that right here. Uncle John! Uncle John! Hey! Grab one!